Good morning. For Lesson 3, we are going to multiply and divide with familiar facts using a letter to represent the unknown. Let's take a look at number 1. Let's look at the one where it has a cursive L. Each equation contains a letter representing the unknown. Find the value of the unknowns and then write the letters that match the answers to solve the riddle. So I have to think to myself, what is 21 divided by 3? When I count by threes, how much do I have to count in order to get to 21? Go ahead and solve this one on your own. Pause the video while you work and replay when you are ready. So I can count by threes. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. So let's see how many times I had to count in order to get to 21. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So L is equal to 7. Let's take a look at the next one where we have C as the variable. So 21 is equal to C times 7. So this is kind of like a division problem where I have 21 divided by 7 equals C. So what do I have to do to figure out 21 divided by 7? Well, you can write your 7s down to see how long it takes you to get to 21. So let's try that. So 7 plus 7 is 14. 14 plus 7, 7 plus 4 is 11. Write the 1, carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So 21. So how many times did it take for us to count by 7s in order to get to 21? I see 1, 2, 3. So C is equal to 3. Let's take a look at the next one. We have T. T divided by 10 is equal to 7. So I'm given the answer of 7, and the operation that I used to get to 7 was division. But I'm missing a piece of that equation. So what I'm going to have to do to solve is really take the numbers and do the opposite operation. Go ahead and solve this one on your own. Pause the video while you work and replay when you are ready. I know that 10 times 7 is equal to 70. I can count by 10s 7 times to see how much that is if you aren't quite ready to memorize your facts yet. So T is equal to 70. Let's take a look at number 2. It says Lana buys 3 t-shirts for $8 each. What is the total amount Lana spends on the 3 t-shirts? Use the letter M to represent the total amount of money Lana spends and then solve the problem. So the first thing I'm going to do is draw a picture. I'm going to use a tape diagram. In the first part, it says that Lana buys 3 t-shirts. So I'm going to divide my piece of tape into 3 sections, 1 for each t-shirt. It says that they were $8 each, so I'm going to put $8 in each of the boxes. Now it wants to know the total. So instead of putting a question mark, it says that they want me to use the letter M to represent the total amount of money. So what would I have to do here in order to solve for the total? I see 8 is repeated 3 times. So that means I'm going to take $8 and I'm going to multiply it 3 times in order to get M. Go ahead and solve this one on your own. Pause the video while you work and replay when you are ready. So we have 2 different options here. We can either count by 8s 3 times or we can count by 3s 8 times. I'm more familiar with 3s, so I think I'm going to do that. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. So let me just make sure I counted 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that means that 24 is equal to m, which is our variable for the total. Now I need to put my answer in a statement. So the total amount Lana spent was $24. Let's take a look at number 3. It says Miss Potts used a total of 28 cups of flour to bake some bread. She used 4 cups of flour for each loaf of bread. How many loaves of bread did she bake? Represent the problem using multiplication and division sentences and a letter for the unknown. Then solve the problem. So, I'm going to use a tape diagram to help me solve this one. The first part says that there was a total of 28 cups, so I'm going to write that on my tape diagram. It says that she used 4 cups for each loaf, but I'm not sure how many loaves there are total. So, if I had a division sentence, I'm going to take my total, 28 divided by 4 is equal to something. So instead of using a question mark, they want me to use a letter. So I am just going to pick a letter and we'll say W. Now, if I had the multiplication, it would be W times 4 is equal to 28. So how am I going to solve this one? I can take my 4s and count by 4 until I get to 28. Go ahead and do that on your own. Pause the video while you work and replay when you are ready. So 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. So I still need to go up to 28, which would be 1 more. So let's see how long I needed to count for. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So W is equal to 7. Now I need to take my answer and put it in a statement. So she made 7 loaves of bread. Your assignment is to work on the problem set number 1 and number 2B. Don't forget to check your work with the answer keys at the front of the room. Your problem set can go in your take-home folder on the Leave at Home side. Next, be sure to grab an exit ticket. Put your name on it and complete it by yourself. When you are finished, make sure it goes in the turn-in tray. I'll see you next time.